Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add tracks on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the quick recordings, AI speakers and templates, and the project. And we have the workspace. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have the, as you can see, your profile, log out, we have the new project where you can, of course, go and create a new project. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add tracks on Descript. So launch Descript, of course, and then go to create a new project, a global video project. Then, when you upload your file, click on the show timeline at the bottom of the screen to display the timeline. You can add various types of media, such as tracks, including audio, video, images, and here's a step for each. For audio, drag and drop the audio. For video, drag and drop the video into the timeline and click the icon and select add video track. And for images, drag and drop an image file in the timeline and click plus icon and select add image track. Once you added the media, you can position the timeline by dragging it to the desired location. Use the properties panel to adjust settings such as start time, duration, volume, and more. And that's that. You just need to go and then put the layer tracks. You can layer multiple tracks on the top of each other, and that's that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.